Mobile Rough Terrain (RT) Crane Operator. This presentation provides an in-depth overview of mobile rough terrain (RT) cranes, covering operational characteristics, load charts, ground stability, rigging practices, and safe driving techniques. Course Overview. 1. Comprehensive Program. Participants will gain essential skills to operate mobile rough terrain cranes, focusing on safety, operation techniques, load handling, and regulations, preparing them for careers in construction and industry. 2. Target Audience. Individuals aiming to pursue careers as crane operators in construction, industrial settings, or shipping industries. 3. Accreditations. Training conducted in accordance with OSHA 1926.1427 guidelines. Mobile crane operational characteristics. Maneuverability. Mobile RT cranes are designed for versatility, navigating uneven terrain and confined spaces with ease. Lifting capacity. They offer varying lifting capacities, accommodating a wide range of materials and projects. Outrigger systems. Outriggers provide a stable base for heavy lifts, enhancing safety and operational efficiency. Decoding load charts. Understanding the data. Load charts provide critical information on safe lifting capacities at varying boom angles and radii. Calculating safe loads. Use the chart to determine the maximum weight that can be lifted safely for your specific configuration. Safety margins. Always operate within the limits of the load chart, maintaining a safe margin for unexpected conditions. Ground stability assessment. Soil type. Evaluate the soil's bearing capacity, considering factors like moisture content and density. Surface levelness. Ensure the ground is level and free of obstructions, providing a stable base for the crane. Load distribution. Distribute the load evenly to minimize pressure on the ground, preventing potential instability. Jib and extension use. Jib advantages. Jibs extend the crane's reach, allowing for lifts in tight spaces and over obstacles. Extension options. Telescoping booms and lattice extensions increase the reach and lifting capacity of the crane. Configuration considerations. Properly configure the jib and extensions to maximize efficiency and maintain stability. Wire rope types and inspection. Fiber core. Natural or synthetic fiber center providing flexibility and lubrication. IWRC, independent wire rope core. Steel core offering maximum strength and crush resistance. Wire rope construction. Configuration of strands and wires determining durability and performance. Wire rope inspection. Daily visual checks, monthly diameter measurements, and wear pattern analysis. Regular inspection and proper wire rope selection are crucial for safe crane operations. Each type offers specific advantages depending on the application requirements and operating conditions. Rigging practices and safety. Proper sling selection. Choose slings appropriate for the load and lifting conditions. Secure attachment. Ensure all slings and rigging components are securely attached to the load. Load distribution. Distribute the load evenly across the slings to maintain balance and stability. Driving and moving with the load. Safe speed. Maintain a safe driving speed, considering terrain and load weight. Clear path. Ensure a clear path for travel, avoiding obstacles and hazards. Load security. Verify that the load is securely attached and stabilized during transport. Course curriculum. Mobile crane operational characteristics. Evaluation of a safe workplace. How to read and apply load charts. How to determine/approximate the load. Evaluating ground and soil stability. Understanding overall center of gravity once the load is lifted. Use of jibs and extensions. Frequent and periodic inspection. Reeving and line pull. Wire rope types and inspection. Rigging practice and safety. Driving/moving with the load. Site hazard identification and inspection. On-site equipment movement, hazards such as unleveled ground, power lines, etc.
Contact us for more information. You can call us, email us, or go through our website and visit us at this address.